Yeah.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, folks.
Hope everybody's okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're off on another adventure.
Yes.
We're going to
Chatsworth House.
Yeah.
It'll be our third visit there.
Third visit. Oh, we like Chatsworth.
We certainly do.
Yeah, because it's not far from us.
No, hour and a bit from here.
And at Christmas we sometimes go to the Christmas events, don't we?
Yeah.
We just visit. We just sometimes go in the car for a visit because it's not that far from us. But we do like staying on the campsite, don't we?
Yes, with a secret gate.
Yes. So we're taking the car with us, not because we're taking Belle this time.
No.
But because Tony...
I need it tomorrow for a very important football game. And it's Chesterfield versus Notts County.
Yeah, and it's being held at Chesterfield.
Yes, so I'm going to use the car to drive to my brother's who lives in Chesterfield, and we're both going to go to the match, which is an early kick-off, 12:30.
Gosh, get the details, everybody.
It's on Sky, but by the time this goes out, it'll be done and dusted.
Yeah. So I'm driving the car, Tony's driving the van, and I've got Archie with me today. He's in the back of the car.
Yeah.
So I can't show you him at the moment. So everybody, come with us and enjoy our weekend. And hopefully, I mean, it's sunny now.
It's beautiful weather.
Yeah, so come with us and let's hope it's going to be sunny for the whole weekend.
Yes, let's
and
hope
we'll
so.
Find some things to do. Hayley and Belle will be visiting us actually on... Hayley's my daughter, and Belle will be visiting us on Sunday. So we'll be going around the estate with my daughter and granddaughter on Sunday.
Yeah.
So we'll see you while we're away. See you when we get there.
Bye for now.
Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
It's the motorhome service point. So we're going to fill up with some water, which is just down there.
Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do.
Very tame, aren't they?
You know, when it comes to food.
So here's the gate. So we're going to lock the gate.
Locking yourself.
In and out. Well, it stops people that are on here going into the campsite.
The Chatsworth Estate has 300 semi-wild fallow deer and 150 semi-wild red deer, plus additional wild deer in the park. There are also lots of sheep scattered around the estate, keeping the grass nicely mowed.
So this is the house, and if you look at it, it's beautiful. All round each window it's edged in gold. This is the courtyard, and there's coffee shops. He's nice, isn't he? This is unusual. This is normally a fountain.
Yeah. Like they put
plants in it. It's a nice gift shop, and then lots of plants. It's a pretty plant. Well, we're back at the secret garden gate.
Here we are.
To get into the campsite.
Ta-da! The key comes out.
Yeah. And in we go.
Get us back in. Oh.
But he's thirsty. Go on then, Arch, in you go. Go on then. Plank. There we go then. See you in a bit, everybody. Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Well, we're
Packed up.
yeah, we've packed
Ready
up.
to go.
Ready to go, like Tony has said. It seems quite a busy facilities block.
Well,
There's a lot of people on the site, and there's just that one facilities block. There is a pot washing station. We'll just go and have a look. There's nobody in. This is the washing up area. To do your pots. It's a lot. Oh, it's warm in here. Gosh. Plenty of sinks to do your laundry. The ladies are all round this area. But you did go and have a shower, didn't you? And you said
the showers are good, yeah. Toilets and shower block is very clean. The showers I like because you can adjust the temperature and the flow, which is great. So I shall give it 8 out of
8 out of 10. Yeah, they're nice and clean.
That's the main thing.
Yeah, so that's about it now, really. We're packed away. I'm ready to get off. Just got to pop to the reception to drop the key off. The secret gate key.
That green little box there.
Yeah, there's a little box just here.